Yes, I came here to the Joint Repair Clinic in Bozeman because I was concerned with my knees. I was concerned with my hands and dropping things and with the pain that I had in my feet. I am not a fan of surgery. I've had many surgeries in my life and I do not like the pain or sometimes the outcome. So when I heard that there was a possibility of a new way of becoming healthier and stronger, I chose the stem cell way. So far, it's been about 3 months. My knee is much better. Of course, not perfect yet, but I would say we would go from a 4 to a 6. My hands were stiff, they were sore, and I was dropping things a lot, which concerned me, especially my phone. And now I have a lot more ability to hold on to things and move my hands. And then my feet have a lot to do. I have a lot of miles on my feet. I was a marathon runner, so they're broken down quite a bit. But I now have less pain and able to stand and work on them longer. And so even in this short time, I feel I have become a long ways and can't wait to see what the next few months will do.